is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became a prince of a town called Bel Air. In West Philadelphia, born and raised, on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all, shooting some b-ball outside the school. When a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You move with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." I begged and pleaded with her day after day, but she packed my suitcase and sent me on my way. She gave me a kiss and then she gave me a ticket, walked me on and said I might as well kick it. First class, yo, this is bad. I'm drinking orange juice out of a champagne glass. This what the people in Bel Air living like, this might be alright. Way to hear the Prussian bourgeois and all that. This is the type of place that they should send this cool cat. I don't think so. I'll see when I get there. I hope they're prepared for the Prince of Bel Air. In the plane line, hide out. Does a dude look like a cop standing yelling my name? I ain't trying to get arrested yet. I just got this. I like this.